Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roisum. In this video we discuss options and reasons why you might want to add a coating to the shell of your rollers. There are many quite different reasons that you might want to add a coating to your roller. Perhaps the most common is to reduce the wear rate of a roller when running against an abrasive web. Another common reason is to control the surface roughness to be anywhere from mirror smooth for casting to sandpaper rough to increase air handling and/or traction capacity, or anywhere between mirror smooth and sandpaper rough. Sometimes the coating is used to either control or improve release of the web departing from a roller. There are specialty coatings to make a roller either a good conductor or a good insulator. Finally, some coatings are added as a liquid as part of a forming process. Examples here include oil on metal rolling calendars and creping adhesives for tissue creping blades. In this module, we will explore the most common roller coating options including anodizing, ceramics, chrome, and tungsten carbide. Anodizing is primarily used on aluminum idler rollers. One reason is to increase the abrasion resistance so that they do not wear so quickly when running abrasive materials such as paper. Curiously, the paper industry, who runs more abrasive materials than most and at speeds much higher than most, seldom anodize their rollers. Yet, the converting industry, which often runs non-abrasive materials such as film and at much lower speeds, often does anodize. Why? I have been told it is easier to make sure rollers are clean when they are black than when they are silver. In any case, anodizing is chemically equivalent to the natural oxide of aluminum, except that it is much thicker. It is also chemically the same as the abrasives in cheap sandpaper. The coating is electroplated on and can be made in different colors depending on the addition of trace elements. Ceramics are used on metal rollers for several quite different purposes. Though ceramics are generally uncommon, there are a wide variety of application processes and products. You can find out more from some of the high-end roller suppliers. Instead, here we will focus on just one ceramic, tungsten carbide, because it is by far the most common. Everyone is familiar with the shiny bright chrome coatings that are common on plastics and metal. In web manufacturing, they are mostly used for casting or calendaring rollers to make them very smooth so that one or both surfaces of the web are smooth. The chrome process is old, well known, and unfortunately quite toxic and thus highly regulated. Tungsten carbide is a ceramic that is most commonly used to increase the abrasion resistance of a roller. However, since it can be made anywhere from near mirror smooth to sandpaper rough, it might be suitable for many other purposes ranging from casting to traction enhancement. One interesting variation includes a Teflon-like substance embedded in a tungsten carbide matrix that can be used to increase release while providing much more durability than a fluorocarbon coating or cover would have. Tungsten carbide can be applied as a thermal spray or by a detonation process. This is one of the few coatings that can be applied in the field as well as at the roller factory. Of course, as with all coatings, pristine surface preparation is absolutely imperative. Thank you so very much for watching this module in my Plant Practical series. Please stay tuned for more roller, web handling, and web converting topics.